Yes, we start in 2-3 minutes. Hello, Daniel. How are you? Hello, everybody. We start in a couple of minutes. How are you guys today? Everybody's good? Do you have any position opens today, guys? Any position, anybody? You can write on the chat, guys, if you want. You can write on the chat if you want. Okay, 2 minutes for London, for New York Open. We have some ideas to trade today. Basically, buy yens across the board. The yen is getting stronger. Okay, this is the yen index. Just the yen. Oh, wait. Okay, so it's getting some momentum up. We can see the pairs today, for example, euro yen, nice drop. Pound yen, Aussie yen, very interesting. To the downside here is one of the biggest losers. Okay, let's open up the table here. The pound yen and the euro kiwi, the euro New Zealand dollar, is the one who has been sold the most today. So we want to sell weakness and to buy strength. Okay, 1 minute for the opening. This table, guys, is it's telling me on a visual perspective, instead of a chart, it's telling me on a numerical perspective which pairs are the weakest and the strongest on a daily basis. So today the pair who move lower the most is the euro kiwi, euro New Zealand dollar, and then the pound yen, Aussie New Zealand, euro yen, and you see all the yen pairs right here. They lose a lot of value today. So okay, it's 8 o'clock on New York. We have the plan set up, ready to trade. This is my platform here, real money, live platform, real trades on the market. This is what we do every day. Okay, and here is where we analyze. So euro dollar, we are gonna sell below the blue line. Okay, I'm gonna put a sell entry, sell stop below the blue line. Okay, that's our plan for today. So sound is okay? Sound is okay, guys? Yes, no? A ver, Carlos have a question. Let me see if I can see the question here. Guys, write on the chat here. You can write on the chat. Okay, we want to sell below this line. Keep in mind that there are news today of dollar unemployment claims today. Okay, all right, unemployment claims in half an hour, so this can create some volatility on dollar pairs. Okay, Joel, let me see, I cannot see the here. Okay, thank you, Joel. Thank you for the feedback. Thank you, thank you. Okay, guys, let's trade. Let's trade. Let's see what happens. I have euro dollar, pound dollar here, euro yen, pound yen, dollar Swiss, dollar CAD. Let's see what happens. Our preference is on the yen pairs. We reached some support here on the yen. So we can take both sides, okay? We need to be flexible, and more if we are intraday traders. We need to be very flexible. You can write on the chat your ideas, your questions, anything you want to ask. And basically that, we are going to show you a little bit of trading today. Live trading, price action trading, understanding the price action behind the charts. In case the dollar start falling, I like to buy pound dollar because it's stronger than euro dollar, okay? You can see here the uptrend. It's still an uptrend, technically speaking, okay? These lines are our bias levels, is how we call them, and we analyze this on the daily, weekly chart to get the trend, to get the strength, to get the sentiment, and then we use these lines to get in and get out of the market. So as you see, it is stopped to the pip on that blue line, okay, on pound dollar here, plus 1 day low, okay. These red lines and green lines are just the daily highs and daily lows, okay, indicator. Great. A ver, 1 second. Hello everybody. So we are gonna wait a little bit for the range to form. Okay, no movement at all. We are seeing some resistance here on the 2-day low on pound dollar. But if you compare pound dollar to euro dollar, you see a big difference, right? So what we are gonna do is put the orders and let's see what happens. Nothing else to do. Follow the plan and follow the rules. Okay, sell below euro dollar 136.46. I'm gonna put the entry a little bit lower, 136.44. 136.44 here. Sell a stop. Okay, and I'm gonna put an entry to the upside also above 136.66. You need to give a little bit of pips above 36.75, let's say. A buy a stop here also. Okay, so this is our platform, real trading. We will go long above this line and we will go short below this line, okay? It's very straightforward what we do here. So what I do is create OCO orders. That means one cancel the other, right? Okay, it's done. Keep in mind there are news in 23 minutes. Not too much action today. Guys, do you have any position open? Do you have any position open? No? Okay. Okay. Anyone else have any position open? Okay. And on the pound pairs, on pound dollar, the long, let me see where is the long. The long is above the opening range of this morning here. That's a long entry. 66.51. And the short, we need to wait for the opening range to get formed. Alright. But still it's a buy below here. That's our plan. 66.51. Gonna put an entry. 66.51. Always use stops. Okay. News in 20 minutes. We are waiting for the range to form. And basically that, guys. I don't have like anything today to any slides, okay, because today is live trading. It's live trading. You can see an opportunity of how we trade here. Aussie yen is also interesting to the downside. Okay, let's see. We may get triggered. On dollar pairs. News in 20 minutes. Guys, what is your experience on trading? How much have you been trading the markets? How much is your experience? Okay. All right. Where are you learning, Joel? Where are you learning from trading? From who or from what? Okay. Take care with what you see out there, because in trading many things out there are not very valuable. Take care, eh? Don't take everything for granted. Don't believe anything. That's my recommendation. Don't believe anything. Are you trading real or demo? Still on a demo? Okay, that's great. Pound dollar is approaching the entry. Yes, yes. Demo it's important for before going live. Demo is important before going live. Only euro, dollar, and dollar Swiss. What that means? You have a position on those? You have a position on those? Yes. Let's take a look at dollar Swiss. Let's look at dollar Swiss. Joel, the thing is, you need to trade what is moving. You need to trade what is moving, okay? Don't just marry any pair. Just trade what is moving. Don't marry any pair. Yes, dollar Swiss is not bad for a short, maybe. I agree. It's not bad for a short entry. This is daily. It's still on a downtrend. So let's take a look at the intraday. Let's take a look at the intraday. This is dollar Swiss intraday. We have a couple of highs here to the left. Okay, 3, 4, 5 daily high. So this is a failure here. You can go short below this line. Okay, we are having failures here. Okay, you can have a nice entry there, some target here. So you can go short below 88.96. Let's take a look at the execution platform. We may go long pound dollar. Let's see if it breaks. Okay. Keep in mind news in 15 minutes. Okay, here, a short here. I have my team giving me ideas also. Thanks a lot. Giving me trade ideas. Okay. Anything can happen at any given moment, guys. To be profitable, to be a successful trader, you just need two things. One, the ability to identify an edge. Okay, the ability to identify an edge. That's the easy part. And two, you need to think in probabilities. Okay, you need to think in probabilities. That's the hardest. I'm gonna buy maybe yen pairs if we break this line, yellow line. Let's see dollar CAD. Somebody is calling dollar CAD. Yeah, it's an uptrend. It's a strong uptrend. I'm gonna start my strategy here. Okay, we're gonna take a break along on pound yen and euro yen if we break the opening range to the upside. Okay, we are waiting. It's a signal we have identified. It works over and over, so you need to be consistent. You don't know which one is gonna be the winner and which one is gonna be the loser, so you need to take them, basically. Pound yen is giving a long entry. We are long euro yen. Okay. We are long euro yen right now. It triggered it. Right now 4 pips in negative. Let's see what happens. Okay, we are long pound yen also. It's breaking the range to the upside. Nothing to do now, just give some time and let it ride, basically. I'm gonna give these entries a little bit of time, and if the trades are not going anywhere, I'm gonna close them. Okay. Let's see what happens. It triggered a long entry. Dollar cut is not a bad long either. Dollar cut is not a bad long. I will probably take it also above this line. 1.1140. Okay, the entries are on place. If I have 3 trades open, I remove the orders. You don't want to have many trades open, okay? 3, 4 trades is okay. Control the risk always. Let's see what happens. So guys, what are you trading, on what you base your analysis? On what you base your analysis, guys? Let's see, pound cut can be interesting also. News in 10 minutes. Pound dollar can get triggered to the upside. Pound cut is getting a long signal. Okay, we are long dollar cut also, so I'm gonna remove my orders. On the euro pair. These are the positions we have right now. We are long euro yen, pound yen, and dollar cat. I'm leaving this entry here on dollar, pound, dollar long. Okay, here. If the yen pairs are not gonna behave as we are expecting, we are gonna close them. Okay? No reason to hold a losing trade. You can pay a little bit of information. That's a good question, Vera. First, because I have already 3 positions open and it's not going anywhere. Second, because if you compare euro dollar versus pound dollar, you can see that the pound is stronger than the euro. You can see that. The pound is stronger than the euro, so I prefer to be with the stronger currency than with the weakest one. You can compare here the two ones. Okay, that's why I remove that entry. Okay, great. Let's see what happens. News in 8 minutes. So guys, do you trade any more markets or just Forex? Just Forex. Okay, it's only Forex. That's good. That's good. Okay, it's not going anywhere. We are holding 3 positions. Pound cat is not looking bad to the upside. Okay, I'm gonna go long pound cat. Okay, we are long pound cat, dollar cat, pound yen, euro yen. So now it's a matter of see which one of those is gonna pay us. Okay, and those you let it ride, and the others you close them. Right now, pound cat and dollar cat are not behaving very bad. Are behaving good. They are holding near. Euro yen and pound yen, so. You can see here a small 5-7 pips in negative. Okay. The cat is weak. News in 5 minutes. Control the risk, follow the rules, and the money will follow you guys. That's how it is. Nothing else to do. I know I sound like a broken record, repeating everything always, but it's how it is. There is nothing else to think about it. Okay. Sorry for that, you know. I sound like a broken record. Okay, guys, news in 5 minutes. Pound cat is paying. We are gonna buy pound dollar. If that's the case, look, it's moving higher. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we break the lines. We will get triggered. On pound dollar, we will buy above. Okay. We have a nice retest here to this level. So now news in 4 minutes, guys. Let's see what happens. Okay, gonna take my coffee here. Okay, back. So let's see, the pound is getting stronger right now a little bit. As you can see, the yen is not going anywhere. I'm willing to close these 2 trades with a small loss. No problem, it's the cost of doing business. Euro dollar, it can get triggered at a long entry also. Pound CAD is paying 5 pips. Let's see if it continues to the upside. The CAD is weak. I'm gonna close Euro-Yen. You can see it's the weakest one, okay? It's the information we pay for a little bit of info. We are long pound dollar also, okay? We are long pound dollar. Euro-Yen, pound-yen, it takes again. Wait. Hey, what happens with the pound dollar? Okay. Let's see, it's getting paid. 14 pips pound CAD. I have my trigger here on the dollar, on dollar CAD, because we can get some news to the downside on dollar CAD now. Okay, I'm willing to close it very fast. Now you need to be very focused, very focused. News in 1 minute. The pound is the strongest one right now. Okay, you need to be very flexible on intraday, very flexible. News in 1 minute. Anything can happen, guys. Yes, 1 minute news. I'm gonna close dollar CAD very probably. Yes, I'm closing dollar CAD here. Okay, these are the news that are out. A little bit of volatility. Okay. You need to be very flexible right now. All right. Stops in place. Pound CAD is reversing a little bit. Pound yen is paying 13 pips. Four position opens. Euro yen is not going anywhere. I have my hand ready. Okay, news are out. Let's see. That is how it is. Nothing else to do. Pound yen is the one who is making the most. 15 pips. I closed dollar CAD because the news was smelling bad. Looking at the price action, that is experience. Yes, I think pound dollar and pound CAD is looking great. The CAD is getting a little bit of reversal, a little bit. You need to be very flexible, guys, on intraday. Very flexible. Let's look at the market. Okay, first target on pound dollar 60.66.73. On pound yen, we are gonna retest one day low. It's not a bad target. I may close apart partially, a little bit. Euro yen is the lagger, okay. Pound CAD. We want to break this area. Stops above. So right now 4 positions open. Pound yen is the best one. We are gonna let it ride here. Euro yen 5 pips is the second best one. Pound CAD, we are break even, 2 pips now. And pound dollar, we are minus 1 pip, 1.8, 1.7. So let's give a little bit of time. These days you need to be quick also to take profit. It's a JoJo action. Okay. But for now, if the price is behaving as we are expecting, let it ride. If not, close it. If not, close it. Euro dollar, you can see how it's not going anywhere. I remove my orders. Okay. Let's see. Not too much movement after the news. Guys, any feedback? Any idea? What do you think? Do you have any position? A little bit of feedback. As long as we are above the entry line, we are gonna let it ride. Okay, pound CAD is reversing a little bit. Let's give it a little bit of time. Okay. And that is how you trade. That is how we trade here on Zen Traders. Okay, intraday trading, price action, top trading performance. That's the idea. Ultra focused. This is like a sports. Pound yen, euro yen, paying a little bit. I'm gonna close pound CAD. It's not going anywhere. It's not worth my attention. We close pound CAD here. It can continue higher, yes, but I don't care. I have winning positions already. I'm not gonna risk my time and my energy on this pair. It's not going anywhere. You can see that. We are long pound yen, euro yen, and pound dollar. That is how you do it. If you wait for confirmation, you are too late. You are too late if you wait for confirmation. Okay? That's how it is. Just control the risk. Walid, what happens? Do you have any questions? Mohammed, Walid, any questions? You can write on the chat here or... Of course, guys, this is experience, what I'm doing. I have been trading this system for more than 3 years already, so you need to know your system and yourself, of course. Let's see if pound dollar start. Come on. Yen pairs are going up. 30 pips on pound yen. I'm gonna close a little bit on the first support resistance. Sorry, we are right now there testing 1 day low. It's a nice moment to close 1/3 of my position on profit, so you minimize the risk also. So 4775. Okay, I took partial close. I took a partial profit on pound yen. Okay. If we break, we will raise the stop, because we don't want a breakout and then a reversal. Okay. Euro yen is moving higher, but we have the target a little bit higher. So let it ride. No reason to close yet. Pound dollar is hesitating. Let's see dollar yen how it's moving. Dollar yen is moving a little bit. 12 pips. Euro dollar. Vera, you asked why I didn't take euro dollar. Look at it. It's not going anywhere. We are seeing some reversals. It's not going anywhere, Vera, because you know, it's how it is. And pound dollar, yeah, neither. It's 1.5, 1. I'm willing to close it, you know. If it's not going anywhere, out. That's the key. Let ride the winner. Let it ride the winners, and the losers, bye. Okay, let's look at a little bit of interaction here. This level is an interesting level. Let's see if we break it. We are viewing nice reversals on the yen, right? Look at that V-shaped reversal. The question now is, are you gonna risk all this profit to know if we are gonna break this? Well, it's a nice question, right? It's a nice question. Pound dollar, we are gonna give it a little bit of time, and if not, I'm gonna close the position. Euro yen, pound yen, I'm gonna have my hand ready to see if have some troubles. I will close them. I don't want to risk the profit already. So guys, this is what we do here day in, day out. Some days you lose, some days you wins, but at the end of the month you make money. Okay, you make money because you have a winning system, because you think in probabilities, okay, because you follow the rules. That is how it is. There is no magic. Discipline, patience, follow the plan, follow the rules, and the money will follow you. It's how it is. Focus on the process, not on the content. I'm not looking at the money, I'm looking at if I'm following my rules. The money, it's secondary. Okay, so let's take a look at pound dollar. It's not going anywhere. I may close it. Let's give it this candle. We are giving already 15 minutes. It's too much. Bye bye. I'm out of pound dollar with 2-3 pips loss. It's not going anywhere. It's not worth to hold that position. So we have two positions in positive, pound yen and euro yen long. We are gonna hold them a little bit, okay, and just wait. You need to let it ride. If it's paying, let it ride till the next support resistance. Okay, let's see what happens here. A little bit of volume. Some sellers can get in. You need to be aware and flexible, open-minded, because anything can happen at any given moment. Right now we have like 29 pips, 18 pips in positive. Let's see how this close. Let's look at the futures. The yen is having some weakness again. We can see it here. This is the yen index. Okay, pound yen looks like it's breaking. Pound yen looks like it's breaking. It's breaking one day low. We have a lot of lows here to the left. So we need to be very aware, because this can be also a selling signal, right? This was cheap, 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 breakout, retest. This might be expensive, but looks like not. You just need to follow. You depend on other traders. So okay, it's going up 37 pips. I'm gonna trail my stop below this line. I don't want it to come again below, because it will be a selling signal. 169.8063. Okay, we are raising the stops there. If it come below, I will exit. Euro yen, we don't have any level to trail, so I'm gonna close 1/3, already 1-to-1. You minimize the risk and you get paid. The market is making money available to me. I took 1/3 on Euro yen. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. We did good closing pound cat. As you can see, we closed it above. And this is trading. You need to have patience, patience, patience. Wait for the price to move. Wait for it. Discipline. Follow the rules. Guys, are you trading with me? I know it's a little bit hard for you to trade like me today, like that. You don't know the system. I'm changing positions fast. It's a little bit hard, okay? I understand that. Did anybody took the pound yen and euro yen long? Are you with me on those? I will be very happy if you are with me on those, guys. Okay, we have like 70 pips profit already. I closed partially some profits. Pound dollar not going anywhere. We close. Nice close. Pound cat, look, we will be stopped out already, but you closed before, right? That is reading the market. Takes experience. But if you are with me on the room, it's gonna be easier, okay? You are gonna be with me on the room doing this every day, or when the room is open, okay? You are gonna be trading with me and with people who follow the rules. It's 10 times easier to be consistent if you are trading with more people following a set of rules, okay? We can get a nice movement here also, because this is the opening range of London. So just trail the stop, give a little bit of time, and if you see some trouble, bye bye. Okay? It's a resistance area, take profit area. Pound dollar is retesting again. Nada, it's not worth my time already. We are in profit. We're gonna take profit. We are gonna close the positions. Boom, done. I'm out of the market already. Make 70 pips or so. 47 minutes. And now I'm going to the beach to take a daiquiri. If you want to come with me to take a daiquiri or a mojito, I will be very happy. Let's review the entries. Let's review the entries. Dollar CAD. We lost 6 pips here. I'm gonna write on the chat, okay? We lose 6.2 pips here on dollar CAD. Okay. Pound CAD, we lose 2.2. Pound dollar. Okay, this is 2 entries. 2.8. We lose 3 pips. That's the average. You need to average. And this is a nice selling opportunity now on pound yen also. It's a retest, but we have the daily covered. We don't have time. It's gonna be 10 minutes. The momentum is to the upside. You can get some pips down here, but I'm not gonna take it. You don't need to take all the trades. I already make my profit today. It's a sell signal, okay, but you don't need to take it. Let's review how much we make. 3 pips on pound CAD, on pound dollar we lose, and we make this is this morning. Okay, now let's see the positive. We make 17.9, we make 23.3 plus 35, and on pound yen we make 30. Okay. So these are the profit today. You sum up, you remove the losses, you add the winners, and you have it. So it's 6.2. 31 pips in negative. Okay, minus 31.5 in negative. Now you sum up the winners. Is 80 pips in positive. Okay, total of 57 pips net. Okay. Okay, guys, let's go to the beach to take a mojito. No? 57 pips in 51 minutes. It's not bad. That is how it is. This is trading, guys. So, if you want to go to the beach, I will pay a mojito for you guys. I will pay a mojito for you guys today. This is how it is. That's the psychology of the intraday trader. Okay, that's the psychology of the intraday trader. Hit and run. You make your target, let it ride. If it's not going anywhere, take profit. You trail the stop, and that's how it is, guys. If you add us to Skype today, we have an offer for you guys. Okay. The Skype, our Skype is Zen Traders. You just need to go and add Zen Traders to Skype. Right now, I'm gonna be there with my team working, okay? I'm gonna show you the web page also. Alright? you can go to zentraders.net. You have a Skype button here if you are too lazy. Then you can go lower here and you can register for free in this box. Okay, no string attached, anything, nothing hidden. It's completely free. You will have access to articles, charts, free webinars like the ones like this one we make today. Okay, video content, lessons, and so on. It's completely free, 100% free. So right now, if you want to learn more, sign up here for free. Okay, and add us on Skype, where you can have a free consultation with us. Okay, with me and my team. You can speak with us, and it's very valuable, guys. Do it, because it's something very valuable. It can save you a lot of time. We can help you on your goals, on your trading goals. Okay, we can point you on the direction of successful trading. We know what we do. We are here working every day. So, any questions, any idea, anything else? Because if not, I'm gonna call it a day. Thanks, Vera. Thanks a lot for your time, for being here, and for everything. Thanks a lot. It's a pleasure. We are gonna do more webinars like this. Seriously. Thanks, everybody. We are gonna do more webinars like this. Thanks, Joel, Daniel, Carlos, Adao, and I don't know, sorry if I misspell. And thanks to everybody who has been here trading with me today. Anything, register for free, send us an email, add to Skype, and let's make some money, guys. That's the objective in trading at the end of the day. So, any questions? I'm gonna be here a couple of minutes for you if you have any questions. Okay, no questions. That's good. Very smart audience. Yes, you can add me on Skype, and we can talk. I can give you a free consultation. Yes. Any doubt you have about trading, anything, okay? Anything. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna call it a day. I see you on the next webinar. We will send you the link for the next webinar, okay? Great, 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 great. Okay, guys, have a nice day, a lovely day. Bye, 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 bye. Yes, have a nice day, guys.